Hi, and thanks for visiting whatifpeace.com. Are you fed up with the price of gas? Ask yourself, wouldn't you rather keep the money you are currently spending on gas in your pocket to spend on you and your family? If you answer yes, then please indulge me for 5 minutes. It could change your life. The ultimate goal at P.E.A.C.E, or Planet Earth Alternative Clean Energy, is to clean up and save our planet. This is impossible as long as we continue to use fossil fuels, pollute our atmosphere, and cause everything from cancer to emphysema, asthma, lung disease, and death. We compiled this slideshow so you can see that the poison gases that we call smog are everywhere. Just because you may not see it doesn't mean it's not there. And the poison gas you breathe today may have been produced in Brazil or Germany or Canada yesterday. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to stop driving. We all know that next to food, water, shelter, and air, driving our car is the next necessity. What I am saying is we don't have to stop using the car. We just need to find an alternative to and stop using gas and diesel. Now this may seem impossible, but it is already being done by NASA. But they are not about to share this with you and I because governments and oil companies are interested in your money, not saving the planet. In the U.S. alone, we use almost 20 billion gallons of fuel a year, 75% used for transportation, and the clock is ticking on the oil that is left. Experts say we only have 20 years left before it all runs out. The oil companies and world governments are already preparing for the hydrogen economy in research centers all around the planet. They know this will be the next fuel source, and they want to be sure they control it and you by creating a system of hydrogen refueling stations and designing cars that will use their hydrogen. This will replace the gas station. But you will still be buying fuel and still be at their mercy and their prices. These research centers have a common theme: to develop a system that will keep you and I and every other global citizen in the energy-dependent prison we have always been in. They just changed the energy source. I tell you this so you will understand why your help is so important. Hydrogen is more powerful than gas by 3 to 4 times, but it is a lazy element. It does not exist on its own. It must attach to other elements such as oxygen. 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen, and you have water. But this also makes hydrogen easier to separate from its companion. We already know that hydrogen will burn clean in a car. You have probably seen advertisements on the internet for companies that will sell you a kit or a book that will give you 30 to 100% better mileage. Do they work? Yes, many of them do. But the major drawback is they still only help gas burn more efficiently. And this is called a hybrid car. But they still burn gas. These devices are not the answer. They are the proof that hydrogen is the clean alternative to gas and diesel. The only real answer is to eliminate the need for gas and diesel altogether. That is why we need your help. We will build a member-supported research center in a safe, remote Southeast Asian location and will have one purpose: to develop personal-size alternative clean fuel generators that will power all forms of transportation without the use of gas or diesel. Our plan includes the technique used to invent the atomic bomb. The plan will bring together experts from every segment of hydrogen research into one place to collaborate on the ultimate device. Together, not to build a weapon of mass destruction, but a device to benefit all humankind. We are hoping these scientists will come forward when they learn of our plan and use the inventor's link here to contact us. Most importantly, the technology and information we discover will be given free to all our members in easy-to-read, downloadable instructions, and free of restrictions, patents, or copyrights, so you or your mechanic or your teenage son or daughter can build the unit. We will clean up the planet one car at a time. We are offering free reports which you can download free at this website. Above all, we ask that you become a member. For the price of a Starbucks coffee, only $5 a month, we can, together with our global brothers and sisters, cut the oil umbilical cord forever. Why such a low membership fee? For one thing, the cost of building in Asia is much less, and our concept is not a lot from a few, but rather a little from many. So the power of numbers will make a difference, and those numbers will build and use the technology. Look in our accounting section of this website to see how the money will be used. Hi, I'm Bruce. I'm sitting on a sparsely populated small island in Asia. There are only a few vehicles to speak of. 20 years ago, there were lush green mountains behind me. Today, they are covered with a gray poison haze, and it's getting worse. Is this the real future you want to leave your children to inherit? We did this, you and I. Now we can choose to do nothing about it, or we can be the beginning of the solution. With your help, we can research and develop a personal-size, sustainable hydrogen fuel generator that will replace 100% the need for fossil fuels in all forms of transportation, and at the same time break the chains of the evil oil pirates who have held us hostage for over 50 years. The answer to a 100% hydrogen fuel generator to replace fossil fuels is all around me. With your help, we will put the puzzle together. Let me leave you with a parting thought from Albert Einstein. He said, "The world is a dangerous place, not because of the evil that people do, but because of the people who do nothing about it." Please join us today, and we will all breathe easier. Thank you for your time.